So we have already started with the third chapter, that is data structures and operations. We have seen what a data is and what is meant by a structure. Here in this chapter, you will be learning about the arrangement of data in the memory, the different ways of arrangement of data in the memory. So based on the arrangements, before we could go for the arrangements, first the data has to be classified. First the data has to be classified. So classification as simple and compound structures, and based on that you have various operations that could be performed on this data. So what are the operations we have seen? So in that, the first one is stack. So stack means it follows the principle of last in and first out. So how to insert an element into the stack and how to retrieve an element from the stack we have seen. These are the portions of this lesson we have seen. Mainly the stack is used for polishing the string in the sense where you can write the given expression in postfix and prefix form. That is what is known as. Okay. So the next one what we are going to see is known as a queue. So queue in the sense, the simplest example is when you are standing for the assembly. When you are standing for the assembly, how you are standing. So actually you get posted one after the other. You are getting posted one after the other. So till then the queue gets extended until the last person. Here also you have the maximum count. Here also you have the maximum count. So for your class, if I see when we are standing for the queue, your class, when we see 46 is the strength of your class, that is the maximum count of the class. So beyond that no more students can enter inside your queue. So that is what is known as. So here it has two ends. Here it has two ends, that is known as your rear end and your front end. That is known as your rear end and your front end. Two end points it has. One, that is adding the elements is done through the rear end and removement of the elements is done through the front end. Okay, adding elements are done through rear end and removing element is done through front end. So these are the two end points of your queue. These are the two end points of your queue. That is, when you are standing at the queue, ഒരാള് നിന്നു അതിന്റെ പിന്നാലെ one, the next person. So that end portion is called as your rear end. ഒരാളുടെ പിന്നിൽ the next person who is coming to getting on added is known as called as your rear end. Ini, after the assembly you're going back to the class. The first person who stood in the queue, the first person who stood in the queue is the first person who is coming out of the queue also. Is the first person who is coming out of the queue also. That person is only moving from the queue, moving away from the queue and reaching the class. So that end is called as your front end. That end is called as your front end. So it follows the principle of first in, first out. It follows the principle of first in and first out, which means that അപ്പൊ ഫസ്റ്റ് വന്ന ആള് തന്നെയാണ് ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്യൂവിലിരുന്ന് പോകുന്നത്. The person who came first is the person who is going out first also. Is it clear? So it is actually a logical concept. There is no tool or facility. Actually ഇതിനായിട്ട് വലിയ ഇതൊന്നുമില്ല. We use the concept of arrays. Arrays and a group of items put together in a consequent locations. Appo we are using the concept of arrays also. It inherits the properties of arrays. Array engane the next cell, the values are stored up. The next cell, the values are stored up. It is our choice. Array irunnu datas when we are printing out. Array irunnu datas when we are printing out. It is our choice to print out from the beginning or from the back. Namukku engane venengilum aa loop ezhudam. Yes or no? So here for the concept of queues, as usual, our loop will be constructed for I is equal to 1. Starting position lirunana we are retrieving the elements. From the first position only we are retrieving the elements. So for I is equal to 0, sorry, 0 anata. 0 is the first index position. Appo 0 to n. 0 to n. So it is based on the concept of arrays. This created on the concept of arrays inherits the properties of arrays. Okay. So the next we'll see how to construct a queue. So Q implementation, you can see the diagrammatic figure. You can see the diagrammatic figure. Okay. So Q implementation. So Q is called the name of the queue created. Okay. Tettipoi. Sorry, a mistake happened here. It's not stack created. It is queue created. Okay. By mistake while typing, a mistake happened. Kindly ignore that. Have it as queue created. Okay. Have it as queue created. Q is the name given for the queue created. There are two n positions I told you. There are two n positions I told you. That is your front end and your rear end. That is your rear end and your front end. There are two n positions I told you. That is your front end and your rear end. Rear end means through which you are going to add the values into the queue. That is through which you are going to add the elements into the queue. Okay, through this position only you are going to add the elements in the queue. അതായത് first ഇവിടെ വരും. Okay, then it will come to this position, then it will come here like this. ഓരോ position ആയിട്ട് it will keep moving. Okay, so first position, that is 0th position, one by one it will keep moving like this. One by one it will keep moving like this. So up 0 0 0 കഴിഞ്ഞു 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, like this it will keep on moving like this till the maximum position. അതുവരെ it can add the elements in the queue. Maximum position where it can add the elements in the queue. Okay, next one is your rear end. Next one is your front end. Front end, this position is used to remove the elements. This position is used to remove the elements. So initially frontum rearum ഒരേ പൊസിഷനിലാണ് ഉണ്ടാവുക. Initially front and rear will be in the same position. Okay, അപ്പോ first again if you want to remove the elements, what happens? Remove ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ what happens? Again front ഇവിടെ ഇരുന്ന് തന്നെ start ആവുക. That is from 0th position, then it will move on to position 1, then it will move on to position 2, then to position 3, then to position 4. Like this it will move on till the last position. Okay, എത്ര elements ഉണ്ടോ? If you have filled the queue, okay, till the end of the queue വരെ പോകും to retrieve the elements or remove the elements or take out the elements. Is it clear? So for this, the first thing that has to be done is number of elements to be predetermined. Number of elements predetermined ആയിരിക്കണം. അതായത് maximum number of elements, what it is എന്നുള്ളത്, how much it is എന്നുള്ളത്, you have to predetermine it. അറിഞ്ഞിരിക്കണം. Okay. Initially rear is set to 1. Initially rear. അപ്പൊ rear position, അതായത് 0 ആണ് നമ്മുടെ starting position. So what we so here what happens is initially rear is set to 1. Initially rear is set to 1 -1 എന്ന് പറയാൻ reason is that is initial array position എന്താ? It is 0. Array position is 0. That is why we set an imaginary position known as -1. That is why we set an imaginary position known as -1. Okay. So next, when element is added at the rear, it will be incremented by 1. Up next position elements add you should move on to the next position. Up and what you will do is you will increment rear by 1. Rear is equal to rear plus 1. Allengil rear plus any one of the expression you can write. Okay. Then can enter elements until it reaches n-1 position. If 10 elements ആണെങ്കിൽ, if it is 10 elements, n-1 means what? 9. If it is 10 elements, n-1 means what? It is 9. So up to this you can go on to enter the elements. Up to this you can go on to enter the elements. Position of Q varies from 0 to n minus 1. Position of Q varies from 0 to n minus 1. അതായത് ഓരോ വാല്യൂസും every single values when you keep entering, every single values when you keep entering, what happens? ഇവിടെ ഇരുന്ന് next, 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 like this, it will keep moving. That is what is the meaning. Position of the Q varies. Position of the Q varies. പറയുന്നതിന്റെ reason is this. Is it clear? While removing the elements, front will be incremented by 1 until it crosses rear. Appo remove cheyyumbol, when you are removing the elements, appo you are coming through this front end. Appo you are coming through this front end. Front will be incremented. Front adhe pole oro position, every single position you will keep moving like this until it crosses rear. Rear eduvare undo aduvare you can remove the elements. Adinapura elements remove cheyan pattilla. If rear is standing here means till this you can remove the elements. Is it clear? So I'll give you the algorithm. So you can see this algorithm. Okay. Initially see. You can see initially front and rear ഒരേ position la വെച്ചിട്ടുള്ളത്. Can you see? Initially front and rear are set in the same positions. Can you see? Then what you do is, upper front in the position -1 ലിലേക്കാണ് set ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Okay. Then after this what you do is you go on to increment. You go on to increment the values. Appo endavum ഓരോന്നായിട്ട് you will increment. Rear position ingane increment ആയിട്ട് വരും. So listen, now come to the next one. Rear position increment ആയിട്ട് ഒരു value add ആയി. Next rear position increment ആയി ഒരു value add ആയി. Rear position is increment ആയി ഇവിടെ ഒരു value add ആയി. Next rear position increment ആയി ഒരു value ഇവിടെ add ആയി. Like this you can go on to add values in the queue until it reaches the last position. Appo idepole next ഇവിടെ വരും, next like this, like this, like this, like this until it reaches n minus 1. N minus 1 is here. Until it reaches this position, you can go on to add the values in the queue. Now here they have shown you rear position known as 2. Rear position known as 2. It is shown over here. Can you see? So that is third item is inserted. That is E diagrammatic representation. Rear position is 2 here. That is here. Can you see? And here you have the value entered as 38. Till this position, you can go on to add the values. Appo E position the value is added. That is the third item is inserted. With this,